on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and it's New Year's Eve, and I thought I would come at you guys with my very last video for the year on this smoky glittery glam look that I created for tonight's festivities, because I am going to hit the town tonight and have some fun. But yes, if you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. Welcome back. So we're gonna get started with this eye look, and I'm gonna be using my Tati palette. When I thought about a glittery glam look for New Year's Eve, this palette surely took the cake, because look, all those glitters. So let's get started. I'm going to be taking the Memory Matte black shade and putting that all on my eyelid. I know usually some people use a base, but her shadows are really pigmented. Look at that. I don't even need a base. So we're just going to pat that all on the eyelid. Let's pat that on the eyelid. And you're just patting, and you don't want to go any higher than the lid, okay? That's all you want to do. Now I'm going to go in with this Farrah blending brush. It doesn't have a number on it. And I'm just going to kind of blend out that black line. Just kind of blend it out. I'm not going to do too much, okay? Just don't want no harsh lines at all. And I'm going to put a little bit more black on this one. And hit that corner. Okay. Some corners. And we're just going to blend. I typically don't do really dark looks or use black, but I said, ooh, I want to be very vampy tonight. New Year's. Let's bring in the New Year's with a different type of look, okay? So we got that going. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in, and I'm going to go in the Soothe Matte, which is a really light brown shade. It's right here. And I'm going to blend that out even more, but it's going to add some color to it, you know, because I got color in my skin tone, so I want to add some color and warmth right in there. You see that? Just a little dab. We're going to blend out that black at the same time as adding this nice brown shade to give that nice warmth. There we go. Very nice. And I think this one needs a tad bit more black. Just a tad bit. I feel like the other eye is just a little darker. And then we're going to go in with that Farrah brush and blend out that harsh line. Okay. Just blend. So what you guys got planned for New Year's Eve? I know I'm just hanging out with the kids, and we're going to just have some fun, go watch some fireworks, and go from there. And take some more of this brown, put that up right there. And you don't want to go too high because, like I said, you don't want to look like a raccoon. Okay, you don't want to look like you got a black eye. Alright, so we got that going. Next, now I'm going to clean the brush off that I was using to put on the matte black, and I'm going to be going into this metallic right here, Memory Metallic, that's what it's called. And we're going to put that right over that black. It's a dark, it's a black, but it's a metallic. I'm going to add some just like little glitter and give it that depth that we need. You see that? It looks like it's got some blue and silver shimmers in here. It's very, very pretty. Get it all in there, boo. Ooh, closing my little thing. So there we go. We got that on there. Now what I want to do is kind of fray this out a little more on my ends. It looks good. All right, now I'm gonna use my fingers and I'm gonna go into the glitter, memory glitter, and we're gonna put that all on my lid because we want to be shining and popping, boo. Shining and popping. This is just gonna add even more to that metallic look. Okay, so I'm gonna get some more on this finger and just tap, tap, tap. There we go, boo. There we go. Look at that. All right. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap into that and tap into that at the same time. Just kind of add a little more depth up here. Tap, 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 tap. Going to add a little more depth up here. There we go. Now what we want to do is we're going to take, I got this little pointer brush, and I'm going to take that memory black, and I'm going to go under my lash line, and we're not going to smoke it out too much. We just want to make sure that it's like defined, okay? We want to be able to see it. And just connect that over there, boo. There we go. Just go. I hope everybody has a happy new year. I'm excited for 2020 and to see what it's gonna bring. All right, there we go. So now that we got the eyes finished, I'm going to finish the rest of the face and put my lashes on. And I'll be right back. This is the finished look. I'm ready to go hit the town for tonight's festivities and have some fun. I'm feeling the ponytail with the bang and the eyes. Came out very, very cute. I'm loving it. So what do you guys think? I hope you guys have fun tonight and you guys be safe. And I will be seeing you guys next year. Hey, have a happy and safe New Year's. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.